All right, I'm getting ready for date night, and like, look at that volume. That is insane. So I just started using the Raise the Root by Color Wow, and it literally raises the root. Not even kidding. It's a thicken and lift spray, and you just do it on damp hair. So I'm blow drying my hair. My hair is pretty much all the way, I would say 3/4 of the way dry. And then I'm just using my Revlon brush. But I mean, look at that volume. That is crazy. I'm gonna do it to this side and show you guys the magic. Okay, the volume up in here is high. Like, look at that volume, you guys. I just did it in sections in my hair, and I just pumped it at the root, and wow, so good. All right, so I am curling my hair tonight. So I'm going to curl it, and then I'm gonna use the Style on Steroids, which is what I showed you the other day, and it's just a texturizing spray, and it'll make my hair so fluffy. I love it. All right, so I let my curls cool, and then I brush my fingers through them like this, and then I go in with the Color Wow Style on Steroids. So I'm only gonna do one side so I can show you just how much it like volumizes. Now I still use the root touch up thing, so it already made my roots kind of volumized. So let's get these ends, and I always like try to spray up, and it doesn't leave your hair like crunchy or anything like that. But look at the difference from that to that. Like, that is insane.